for asphalt paver, asphalt paver. B is for bulldozer, bulldozer. C is for cement mixer truck.
Cement mixer truck.
D is for dump truck, dump truck. E is for excavator, excavator. F is for forklift, forklift. G is for grader, grader. H is for hydraulic crane.
Hydraulic crane.
I is for impact hammer, impact hammer. J is for jackhammer truck, jackhammer truck. K is for knuckle boom crane, knuckle boom crane. L is for loader, loader. M is for mobile crane, mobile crane. N is for narrow excavator.
Narrow excavator.
O is for off-highway dump truck.
Off-highway dump truck.
P is for paver machine, paver machine. Q is for quarry dump truck, quarry dump truck. R is for road roller, road roller. S is for skid steer loader, skid steer loader. T is for tower crane, tower crane. U is for underground mining loader, underground mining loader.
Underground mining loader.
Vibratory roller, vibratory roller. W is for wheel loader, wheel loader. X is for extreme duty bulldozer,
Extreme duty bulldozer.
Y is for yard truck, yard truck. Z is for zero tail swing excavator, zero tail swing excavator.